welcome back to another video. I haven't like done a reflection type of video before. It's not really gonna be, I mean, I guess it will be a reflection, but it's not gonna be like a deep dive like what I learned this year. It's more just gonna be what I plan on doing next year, starting tomorrow because it is December 31st. And then also I will be decorating my planner. No, it's not a Hobonichi. Those are too expensive for me. This is $12 and I don't know how a Hobonichi looks, but you can customize it. It was $12 on Amazon. I got the one with the cover, and even though I saw that people were saying it was frosted, I was like, okay, well, how frosted can it be? Because all these other examples of people's reviews, it doesn't look that frosted, but I put it on, I'm like, oh, that is very frosted. So today we're gonna use it today, but I'm probably gonna end up buying a different cover, and if I don't end up buying a different cover, then I will just have a frosted cover, and it is what it is. Let's change angles. But yeah, we're gonna be decorating my Little Weeks book. I had one last year. It was like a navy blue, and I was gonna decorate that one too, but I didn't have my stickers. I have so many stickers. It's actually crazy how many stickers I have here. All my little like photo cards and things that I could put in there. I really do want to put a little Bungie photo card, which I love this Loser Lover 0 by 1 Love Song era Bungie. This is my like favorite era of him. I love the long hair and the Oreo hair. So I'll be finding a place for that to go. I also have like a bunch of BTS stickers. I have like random stickers that you would probably put on like a top loader or something, but we're gonna work with it. As far as like aesthetic goes, I saved some photos, but I'm probably not gonna go for them exactly. Like this photo with like the red one. I just like the fullness of it and like the colorfulness of the photos, but then I also really liked this like darker version, which I probably also use a filter on it, where it's like a little bit more edgier, and I feel like that still fits my vibe. But I don't know if I necessarily have the stickers for that. I have like a bunch of random stickers, so it might end up looking a little bit more like this first image. And honestly, we're just gonna go for it. I'm not even gonna drive myself crazy because I just want to get started. I want to do this while I'm decorating, and I'm also going to be making a little chain. I am going to be talking about some things, goals for 2026, what I'm going to be doing and what I'm not going to be doing next year. I don't know if I want to start with the chain or if I want to start with the stickers. Okay, I'm just going to go for it. Let's just like look through some of my stickers. I have a bunch of Shein stickers, some Hello Kitty stickers, some random stickers. Oh, there's one sheet of like a cat. Cute. I think I would give these away sometimes when I would do depop orders. Like I would give, oh, this golden cat, I really want to use the golden cat. I'm kind of sad that I used a lot of my iGirl stickers. Literally, I have so many stickers. And, oh look, we have some iGirl stickers right here. I forgot how to say the name of this, like, are they a cat or a fox? They're a fox. They definitely look like a fox. She's actually a red panda. I love this sticker. Look at it. I might like look for some of the stickers I didn't need. I have this little Oreo sticker I got when I went to the TXT concert. People were giving their little freebies away, so I definitely want to use that. I want to use these stars. Cute. Honestly, one of my main goals is to really like be more creative online. Will I be able to talk and do it at the same time? I just want to be more creative and like just post more often, which is something I've been saying for the past couple of years. I just really need to be more motivated and actually do it instead of saying I'm gonna do it and just do it. Like my main goal on YouTube has always been to post once a week. Whenever I'm not posting a YouTube video, post TikToks. They don't even need to be like anything crazy. I'm so distracted. I don't know if I could talk at the same time as doing this. I'm like scared to use my big stickers. This guy is so cute. Anyways, yeah, I just want to post more, and just be more active online and doom scroll less, be a poster. Physical health, guys. I'm 23, and that's not old, but also I will only get older. And I really want to like move more and like dance more. Not like do dance classes, but like dance workouts, because those are fun. I know that people usually have this goal of like wanting to work out for the new year and saying they're gonna go to the gym, do better and da-da-da. But the thing is that I have to do workout classes anyways for like my school. So I will be working out twice a week for the next couple of months. I will be achieving that goal. The reason why I'm bringing it up is because I want to further that goal and work out more once I graduate. I would already have like the habit of working out from January into May. I just want to continue it. I'm not even gonna like do crazy workouts. I mean, when I'm in school, I'm gonna be doing Pilates and cycling. I'm getting lost in the sauce. I don't really like any of these stickers. So it's not like the goal of me wanting to work out next year is impossible, because I will already be doing it because I'm paying for the class, so I'm gonna be in the class. It's just about me actually committing to doing it after. Yeah. I really want to put a K-pop sticker on here somewhere. And I also want to put this sticker somewhere too. So much. There's so much to choose from. I think there's too much to choose from. I really want to become a more organized person. I'm not organized at all. And I feel like that sets me back a lot. We're not, because it doesn't want to come out. It doesn't want to come out. Okay. I really want to use this weekly planner to its full potential, like with color codings. I have so many pens, stickers, highlighters, so many little sticky notes, all that stuff, that I could definitely be using this to its full potential. With the progress, by the way, I like her so far, so let's keep going. I use the one that I have, my 2025 one, pretty often, but sometimes I would fall off of using it. Like there'd be like maybe like 2 weeks where I didn't touch it. I need another big sticker somewhere on here. It needs to be like up here. Let's just do it. It's not the end of life, and if I don't like it, I could just take it off. I also like want to get more into creating like minimal tasks for myself. Like, today I'm gonna be doing this, and this, and like those are the things I want to get done. Even if it's like small things and like actually sticking to them and doing them. Another thing that I heard is you want to treat planning like your creative time and not as like a chore. I don't think I've ever been like, oh, I need to plan this. I've been like, oh, I'm excited to plan this. But then am I excited to do it? I don't know. And I really want to track like my moods and habits and things, which I have been tracking my mood because Apple has this like health app. So I've been tracking my mood on there. It's been telling me some things. I also recently re-downloaded Google Calendar on my phone because although yes I have the Apple Calendar, I don't really like its interface, and I feel like Google Calendar is just, here it is. Another thing I want to do is be better financially, especially because I'm graduating, so I'm really going into adulthood. Yeah, you'll go right there. I did want to use the Vixen sticker, but I think it's like too big for me. It's too big. I really want to put Bungu somewhere also, but I feel like he's like also too big, you know? I don't know. And I'm not unhappy with him right there. Don't know if I will be fully happy with him right there. It's like if I was to put like a little Jimmy photo there. I want to be more financially stable. There was once upon a time where I was, and then now I'm not. I can't get stuck. I got it. The anger helped me out in that situation. I want to like save regularly. Even if it's literally not that much, like $5, I just want to be able to put that to the side and not look at my bank account and be like, dang, I don't have anything. Which also means I need to find a better job. I work at an on-campus job and they pay me like $10 an hour. So I'm still trying to figure out which K-pop boy I want to put on here next. I really love 3J right here. They're just so cute. How do we feel about this? Also, I don't know, you just come to a point where you want to be able to not always have to rely on your parents. And like, I know I can always go back to them. Like, I also want to be able to be like, oh, I can just pay for this thing myself. But then also have the ability to turn around and be like, actually, even my mom can get it for me. Even though I can get it for myself. But you know, I miss being able to buy people birthday gifts and Christmas gifts. Like, I miss that. Also, I want to be more like financially literate, if that's the phrase, and like learn more about like credit cards, stuff like that. Like just be smarter with my money, because this girl wants a $5,000 Dior bag in her future and she needs to know how to save and be able to afford that without breaking the bank. I really want to like do more personal growth, have a better mindset in general. Like, I'm very, like, I feel like I'm not as emotionally present as I would want to be. Like, and I feel like sometimes I'm putting on like an act like as if I'm more emotional than I'm actually feeling. This is the little hippo. Cute. Okay. I want to work on like feeling things deeper. I know this is a very serious topic for a more lighthearted video. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I'm not. Maybe I'm being like too logical sometimes over like feeling the emotions. What I am going to say then is that I just want to journal more. Go back to writing my thoughts down. Because, you know, as a little kid, I did that. I had so many little notebooks where I was writing my thoughts down. I guess I stopped doing that. So I'm going to go back to doing that. I'm thinking about putting the Vixen sticker over this. They just look so cute, and I would put them somewhere, but they're just big, you know? So maybe I can like cut their faces out, or just cut their bodies out. That's my like stuff that I really plan on doing. So to summarize, I did a lot of talking in between. I want to be more creative. Oh, and look, guys, I got an Athena palette so I could do more fun face makeup and like really be the clown that I want to be. Be more creative and confident and post more. More movement, physical health, more organizing and planning. I really want to be financially stable and be smarter about my money. But I also want to like have a better mindset towards life. I just want to have better habits. Started reading. How pretty she is. So the things that I will not be doing in 2026. You see how I have all this stuff on my desk, right? Yeah, this is all like impulse buy. I saw it, I wanted it, I got it. I spent so much money on all these little charms that I have here, which I really want to use this guy. I'll use him in the book. Yes, yes, yes. I really need to stop impulse buying. Sometimes I see it and I just want to buy it because what if Kendell later regrets not buying that thing and too damn back, but later Kendell will just have to be sad because you didn't get the thing. Progress so far, guys. Ooh, I forgot Bumcue needs some more stickers on him. I like it so far. Unintentional theme of pink and green, kind of, but I feel like it's fitting. I really want to like buy into quality, especially because now as a fashion student and like learning about like quality products, materials. Another thing I will stop doing is like eating meat. I had so many years where I did not eat meat for a very long time. And then all of a sudden one day I just said, whatever, and just started eating meat again. The thing I want to do is to stop scrolling. That goes back to like my wanting to post more and wanting to stop scrolling. And I've been getting into books to get away from my phone. And it works. But I do read books at a very fast rate. So I'm always buying books. And I feel like that's not really smart for like my financial goals. But that's enough of the reflecting. And now I'm going to hone in on finishing this off. Finished, and I made the little chain thingy on the side. I don't really love it. I might like get one of my keychains and put it on there maybe. This is the front, this is the back. She's really cute. I love her. I'm glad I put the Bumcue there because I like him there. And I started doing the inside, not this section, but like I started putting like some of my dates here, like when my classes start and things like that. Thank you for watching. It took me like 3 hours maybe more, because I really did get zoned in for a moment. I enjoyed doing this. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I need to get dressed because I'm going out for a little New Year's Eve dinner. Thanks.